Right, yeah.
Hello there, I'm a water molecule and so is my friend. We are going to take you through the tour of the life cycle of a water droplet.
The radiation from the sun's light beams down on the ocean or any salty body of water, causing water molecules like us to evaporate. Radiation is the transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves or light. Here we decrease in density and gain energy, thus making it possible for us to evaporate into the cooler region of the atmosphere or the clouds. We are going through our first stage of convection, where we are about to rise up from the earth to the clouds. This happens because our molecules are gaining energy, which means that the molecules inside of us are vibrating faster, causing our density to decrease.
The stage that we are going through right now is a mixture of evaporation and transpiration.
Evapotranspiration.
Which is where the sun's radiation evaporates water molecules in the ocean or on plants' land into the dry atmosphere.
Hey, we're floating up. We must be going through evapotranspiration now.
Here we just went through our second stage of convection, where we have risen to the top of the troposphere and gained density, lost energy. In other words, our molecules become closer together. Slowly but surely we will fall down to Earth.
Right here we're going through condensation, which is really the first stage of precipitation. Right now we are losing amounts of energy, so our density is increasing, which makes us heavier, so we will eventually fall down to the earth. Here we can go two different ways. We can either keep our energy loss in control and our density levels at a minimum, causing us to be carried on to the stored in the ice or snow. The other choice is we can take a more direct route, losing most of our energy and letting our density gain or soar up so we can fall from our cloud in precipitation.
Some of us have chosen to move on to be stored in ice and snow, but my friends and I have chosen to precipitate into rain. There are multiple forms of precipitation, which include rain, hail, sleet, or snow. We just fell from the clouds. While on the way, Patrick and I landed on the mountainside, where we can easily go through another stage in the water cycle, which is called surface runoff. In surface runoff, we don't change our density or energy levels because we're not going through any change of state.
After we have landed, we slowly are absorbed into the ground and are beginning to go through conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat by touching objects. We have gained enough energy and are slowly descending into the ground, where we will be stored in aquifers. Aquifers are lakes underground that run off into the ocean. The cycle is ongoing and will never stop unless some humans somehow do something stupid as usual, like polluting the water or disrupting the clouds with our big machines and factories.